All right, first lab. I'm inside of, this is where my GitLab repository is located. I'm inside the lab 01 directory. I do an ls. There's something called Unix commands.txt. I'll open it up. Let me go to the top. Lab 01, enter your chosen Unix environment. So whether you have Bash and Ubuntu actually running in a VM, whatever you've chosen to do. For the word command, assume it is a one-line command unless explicitly stated otherwise. Very, very important. State what commands you use to accomplish each task. Don't tell me the answer. I'm actually looking for what command you used in order to get the information. Because I understand you can, once you give me the command, I get it. You can copy and paste from commands and put them in text documents. All right, we're good. So what Unix-based OS are you using? I'm going to give you this one. You do a uname-a, there it is. I am running Debian on 5.9. I'm actually running Debian 11. I got the latest. They just released it 5 days ago. But there, that's the command I used, uname-a, gives me the entire information. So what do I expect to see? I would expect you to take this. And put it right there. Just like that. That's it. And that's your answer to the first one. Except for when you do -a, you're going to get something different. I highly suspect you get something different. If you put this down, I'm going to be very suspicious. But, all right. So I'm going to do that. What are your command line options, also called parameters? Okay, you don't use command. Don't tell me the commands for that. Just tell me what the answer is. What are all the files in your home directory? That's the one you start in, who contains the word bash. What command did you use? Make sure you tell me that. Create a new directory in your home directory, call it lab 01. It may already be there. Create a directory inside of lab 01 called lab 01 sub while still in the home directory. Ooh. So this will require a little more work. Remember, I went over, I think with ls, how you could go over here. I could do ls01, and that would actually list what's in that directory. You can do something similar with make directory as well. Create a file inside of lab01 sub named readme.please.txt. The file can be empty. Just tell me what command you use to create it. That's what I'm interested in. You use cat, nano, vim, emacs, etc. What is the full absolute path of lab01-sub? What command did you use? If your present working directory is lab01, so try cd into it. Name 3 one-line commands that will return you to your home directory. So I talked a little bit about it. We got the ... to move back there. You can do the absolute addressing with the slash. Last one I didn't mention, if you do cd tilde, that always moves you to your home directory. So there, I gave you the answer to one of them. Copy the readme please.txt, that is your current working directory file, into your home directory, not the directory named home, the top level of your personal files. Perfect. Rename this new file to useless.txt. All right, and I think after that, the 11 isn't a command. Just tell me what pipe, single, and then the double instructors do on the command prompt. You may have to Google this if it wasn't clear from the slides. What's the difference between star and question mark and file name wildcards? I think we went over that pretty well. All right, 13's the hard one. What one-line command, I said command, that means you can have multiple programs or processes running, but it needs to be one command, would you type to generate a file, names.txt, that contains a list of users currently logged in the system sorted lexigraphically? Default order of sort. There is a sort program, by the way, that takes its input that we talked about with piping and sorts it for you. Hey, there's a big hint. You will need to find out who is on your system. Please use Google for these commands. Definitely use Google on this one. It's the point of this is to help you get you used to researching commands if you don't know what to do. What does the -r option do for the rm command? How about -f? Use man rm. That should tell you what it is. Is executing this command arm-r star from your home directory a good idea? Please tell me why and why not. Don't do it, by the way. There's your hint. This is due 1 week from today at 23:59. And there's some quick comments about how to do it, or how to push it to GitHub. There is no autograder for this assignment. Are there any questions? Oh, we are ending exactly on time. Yeah. Any questions? Comments? Screams? Usually I have one screamer. No screamers. All right. Okay, guys. Well, that is all for today. We finished on time, 9:50. There is lab time that goes until 10:50, I believe. Yeah, until 10:50. So I'll be here if you have any questions. If not, welcome to Data Structures, and I will see you on Wednesday.